You guys like the Gap Band? They couldn't be here tonight.
I'm ready.
They here? Where they at?
I'm ready for that. I'm ready for that. I'm 86 big crack, yo.
Give it up for China who just left the stage. Show China some love. If you guys don't party, I will sing Frank Sinatra. Trust me.
Wait. Wait. Spit me out right in the dirt.
Do I do James Brown? Fellas!
Spit me out and say, man.
You know I do everything, so don't ask me those kind of questions. Fellas! I need me to get up and do my thing. Girl, you're looking sweeter now. Finer every day. I wish that I could love you now in a special way. You blow my mind. I feel alive with you, baby. You light my fire. Satisfied, outstanding, so outstanding, baby. Girl, you knock me out. You know you are exciting, so exciting, baby. Makes me wanna shout. Gee, I feel so lucky now to have you all along. hooter, trying to get up in my curve. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. Hooter, trying to get up to it. Hey, oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. You guys like Sly Stone? Do you know who Sly Stone is? If you know who Sly and the Family Stone is, let me hear you make some noise. I'm too young to know, but we're gonna do it anyway. If you want me to stay, I'll be around and there to be available for you to see. I'm about to go, and then you know, for me to stay here, I've got to be me. You never be now, that's what it's all about. You can't take me for granted and smile. Count the days I'm gone, forget a reason if I'm wrong, 'cause I promise I'll be gone for a while. And when you see me again, I hope you would have been the kind of person you really are now. You gotta get me straight. How could I ever be late when you're my woman, taking up my time? Oh, how can I ever allow? I guess I wonder how can you get out your pockets on fun? How? When you know that you never know to. Number one is gonna be number one. And I'll be good. I wish I could get this message over to you now. I hope you would have been the kind of person you really are now. You gotta get it straight. How could I ever be late? You're my woman, taking up my time. Oh, how can I ever allow? I guess I wondered how can you get out your pockets for fun? How? When you know that you never know to. Number one, and I see you guys been drinking. Thanks. Okay, so we're gonna bring it up to date a little bit. Hey. Here we go. I done been around the world, I done kissed a lot of girls, so I'm guessing that it's true. Made me holler and I bet $1 million. Don't nobody kiss it like you. Don't nobody kiss it like you. Don't nobody kiss it like you. Bang, bang, bang. Don't nobody kiss it like you. Don't nobody kiss it like you. It's 5 in the morning, 'cause she's rolling while she's faking, snaking ass. Do, 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 do. Hey! See, I told you, the devil is a liar. The mother girl can't compete with mine. You do it so good, you put my mind.